Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites and taking the first steps now. Make sure the target device has Find My or Find My device enabled. This lets you locate it. Once done, sign in with the target account on your browser or device. You need valid credentials to access location data legally and technically. Also, confirm location services and internet are active on the phone and enable family or shared location if required. Doing this ensures real-time pings and permissioned access before you attempt any tracking. Next, you authenticate and use the platform tools to get precise location. On iCloud or Google Find My device, pick the target device from the device list. This shows live location or last seen timestamp. Once located, use play sound to trigger an alert if nearby, or click directions to navigate there safely. If you have permission, enable lost mode or remotely lock the phone to protect data. Wipe only if recovery is impossible. These actions explain why each option exists: recovery, safety, and data protection. Finally, you complete the process and verify outcomes. After taking action, confirm the device status. Check the last seen time and whether it moves. That tells you if tracking succeeded. If the device is offline, enable the Notify When Found option and revisit account permissions, network settings, and location services on the target phone. One key troubleshooting tip: if locations are inaccurate, make sure maps are updated and time/date settings are automatic. Incorrect system time or drained battery often breaks location updates. Then reassess.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.